I just came into the kitchen to get a snack, but I can't come in without being followed by Scout and Apollo. Forget about trying to open the fridge door. Watch this. Scouty. Scouty, get out of there. Scouty, what are you doing? That's not for you. Watch out. Boop, boop, boop. Jeez Louise. You just ate. No more food for you. She loves to sniff in the fridge. And she loves cheese, and I think she's smelling cheese in there. Scouty, how about this? How about we go for a walk and you get some exercise? Okay? That good? Yes or no? You gonna come for walkies? Good girl.